In this video, you're going to learn how to solve systems of equations by graphing. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this first equation right here and we're going to graph it on our grid. So our y-intercept is -7. I go down to -7. My slope is -3/2, so I want to go down 3 and right 2, and I graphed my line. I'm going to do the same thing for the second one. My y-intercept is 7, and my slope is 5/6, so I can go up 5, but I notice I can't go up any further, so I'm going to do the complete opposite. I'm going to go down 5 and left 6. And what you notice is they cross right here, so this is the solution. We're going to solve it, so the solution is my coordinate point there, so -6, 2. And I hit submit. That's my answer. Let's try another one. Right here, my y-intercept is 1. My slope is -1/2, so I go down 1, right 2. My y-intercept here is -5, and my slope is a +1/1, so up 1, right 1. And I notice they intersect right here. So my solution, my intersection point, is 4, -1. And I'm going to hit submit. And that's my answer. Let's look at level 2, which is just in standard form also. So let's graph our first one. Y equals -x minus 8. -8 is my y-intercept. I go down 1, right 1. That's my first line. Now my second one, I convert it to slope-intercept form. So take a second to convert. You're going to subtract the 5x over to get -2y equals -5x. Divide both sides by -2. And you'll end up having y equals 5/2x minus 1. So -1, -1. And I'll go up 5, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 2 and plot. My solution there is -2, -6. Hit submit. There we go. So sometimes they're going to put them in standard form for you also, and you know how to convert. The last part, what they're wanting is the solutions, and our solutions are just our intersection points we talked about in the last 3 examples. It's where the lines intersected. Here we have a parabola and a linear equation, but it's the same thing. We want the solution. One solution is right here. That's 4, 0. And my other solution is here, 9, 5. And I'm going to hit submit. Good. Let's just do one more like that. We have an intersection point here and right here. Those are where the linear equation, that straight line, and my parabola, the u, intersect. So the first one is -3, -8. I just want to double check. Yep. And my other one is -1, -4. Hit submit. And that is it. So that is how you're going to solve systems of equations by graphing. And then if they ever ask for a solution to equations, whether it's a parabola or linear, you just find their intersection points.